How to manage downloaded offline maps. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Offline Maps. Here, you'll see a list of all your downloaded offline maps. Tap the three-dot menu next to the offline map you want to manage. From here, you can choose Update to download the latest map data, Rename to give the map a new name, or Delete to remove it from your device. If you want Google Maps to keep your offline maps up to date automatically, tap the Settings icon in the offline map screen and make sure Auto Update Offline Maps is turned on. Once you've made your changes, they'll be applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully managed your downloaded offline maps in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.